Welcome back to the channel, neighbors. We're not going to fool around today. We're going to get right into this one. We are changing a refrigerator in this little Scamp camper. Why are we changing a refrigerator? Because it needs a part. It's under warranty. They don't have the part. It needs a control board. Dometic doesn't have them, so they sent us a whole new fridge. Is that silly? Yes, that's silly. That's very silly, but it's the world we live in. Everything's disposable, right? So this is a brand new refrigerator for Dometic this year, I guess. It's a 10 series. It's got some pretty cool features, which I'll show you probably after we get the old one out of the camper. I'm not going to be able to show you much getting in and out. I'll show you how it's fastened in, because there's just no room in there for you all and me too. Customer's going to be helping me today, so y'all give a shout out to Mr. Customer. He's going to be the muscle. I'm going to be the brains. And yes, if you've been around my channel very long, you know this operation is already doomed because I don't have it in it. So let's get started. I said I wasn't going to fool around. I fooled around anyway. So we'll get this cover off right here. I don't think there's any screws holding it in back here. I could be wrong. Because of the way Scamp mounted this refrigerator, it's very low in the hole. So all we got back here is our DC power, our AC power. Just plugs in. We unplug that. Find a place to stick that. Alrighty. We got our DC power, which they used Wagos, so that's really nice. Alright, but anyhow, we're going to undo this power, and I don't see any screws back here, and then I'll take you inside. I'll take you inside here in a minute and show you that. I think there's just 6 screws that hold this thing in, so let me get this power unhooked, and then we'll go inside. Alright, we're inside here, and I know it's dark, but apparently this is angle iron. There's one on each side. There's 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on that side, and I guess the fridge comes out. So let's get the new one unboxed. Alright, here's our brand new one. Different model. Is it? Look at the difference here. Maybe they've already made an upgrade. Alright, I guess now would be a good time to check, make sure it's the right one. Front of it looks good. The box was a little bit banged up in a couple places, but not on the front, so I wasn't too concerned. So that's cool. The controls are a little different, so we need to make sure that this is the right size. I don't know whether some of these 10 series refrigerators are different size. Typically not. Usually a series, certain series, Dometic, they're physically all the same size, they're just different controls and stuff. So let me do some checking here, and then we'll be right back. Alright, propane's unhooked, electric's unhooked. Now we're going to wrestle out this door. It's going to be tight. The fridge is just under 21 inches wide, and the door is about 21 inches. So it's gonna be a little tight.
Barely.
Kidding me?
Nope, you should.
Sure?
Yep. We need to straighten up the bottom end there.
Oh,
You got it?
just barely. Just barely. Oh, by my fingertips.
I think they built the camper around it.
That was tight. I knew it was gonna be. We ended up taking the doors off just to make it a little lighter, but it's pretty cool. These doors open from either side. It's got a latch over here. You pull the latch, door swings that way. You shut it, there's another latch over here. The door swings this way. It's pretty cool. Never seen anything like that. Yeah, let me see the doors. See, there's a latch on both sides of the door, so it's pretty cool. I don't want to stick it back on there because, to be honest with you, they're not supposed to come off, but we tricked it because when you open one latch, it locks the other one. So we had to kind of trick it to get the doors off. So yeah, I don't really want to do that again if I don't have to. But trust me, it opens both ways. It swings both ways. You've heard of that one, haven't you? All right, so we need to see if we can change the door panels, because the one that's in here has got black door panels. The one we got either has silver door panels or they're made with the door. So let me check that out. As soon as I figure that out, be back. We're not going to. The new one has stainless steel. The old one had black. He's going to be happy with that. So we're just going to leave them. Now we're just going to wrestle the new one back in the hole, just like the old one came out, very tight. And then we'll get it hooked up, because I can't really show you any of that, and then we'll show you it working. This is the old one we got laid on its face. That board right there is what's bad, and looks to me like it's got a tamper-proof screw in the bottom of it, or at least it's a Torx screw. Maybe it's not tamper-proof. Oh, the screw that mounts the board, the top screw that mounts the board to the fridge, is a Torx. Maybe they're not tamper-proof, but they probably don't want most people in there. But that's why we had to change this whole fridge, because this board is not available. It's really tiny in here, but we are installed. It says it's on auto, and it is operating on electric. There must be a protective film on this. Yeah, so that's really hard to see. Yep, you got her. All right. So we don't know how this one works yet. I think. Oh, when you touch it, it does light up a little more. Okay, maybe push it. Okay, don't know what that is.
Temperature.
Temperature, but where do we change our modes? Must be
turn.
Must be the turn. No. All right, we're gonna have to read the book, because I don't know how. Okay, when you go to the snowflake and turn the knob, it changes the temperature. We don't know how to get it on auto, because I want to test it on gas, and because it's not touch panel. Maybe you hold it. That goes off. Oh, no, I don't know what that did. Well, oh, it was like a reset or something. Yep, we're gonna have to read the book, people. If you have one of these refrigerators, I would suggest that you read the book. So, I guess that's all we got on this one. We're gonna just test it, make sure it all works. I can't really show you that because it's gonna be feeling for heat and looking for flame, and the flames are way down in there too far for y'all to see.